Hi, I'm Trevor, and this is
Logan.
Hold them up. We're going to be taking out zombies today with a Crossman Air Mag C11 and a G&G Extreme 45. Hope you like it. Practicing for the zombie apocalypse. Take them out.
Hey!
Ready? You're almost empty.
Dad, this fucking down. I think I hit my mag release button by accident. I hit my mag.
Alright, continue. I gotta reload.
What the? Did you just see that?
Yeah, you had a ricochet. That's why we wear the glasses.
That's paper at me.
Yeah, keep it down range. That's okay, keep it down range.
That was another rick. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I see it in the top there.
Yep.
Go.
I had a ricochet come right by us. Ricochet.
Yeah, take them out.
I hit him with the head. Yeah, I got a piece of it to my head. See, I'm empty. Hi.
There we go. Alright.
I shot first. That shooter.
Still hot. Go hot.
Go real fast. Whoa, that was... Ow!
Yeah, it went on my shoulder.
A second one! That's for me. Well, empty on this.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go hot. Yep.
Hit.
Turn your safety off. Come on. Go ahead, shoot.
Huh?
Go ahead, shoot.
Oh god, I forgot how powerful your gun is. Ricochet! Did you see that? Oh, I see it too. Ricochet. Another ricochet.
You okay?
Oh!
That's why we wear the glasses.
Okay, I'm going over here for now on. I'm shooting. Oh, Dad. Daddy, I'm shooting from here. My slider's stuck.
You too.
It's not funny.
Okay, stop.
I
Stop.
cocked it.
Okay. Well, there's blooper number 2 for you.
Thank God.